Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4. Then 6 multiply 12 divide is equal to 72. Okay. Now 4 divided by 72. But this answer is completely wrong. This answer is not correct. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS P A M DAS. So P means first priority is parenthesis, A means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now here is division, and here is multiplication. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, then we have to solve this division, and then we have to solve this multiplication. Okay. So 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4 divided by 6 multiply 12. Now this division and multiplication both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. Okay. So 4 divided by 6 can be written as 4 by 6 multiply 12. Okay. Now cancel this 12 by using 6. So 6 multiply 2 is equal to 12. So 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. Okay. So the correct answer is 8. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.